Welcome to my more important analysis videos on Wednesday 20th of February with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. We've got a minor dollar recovery today, not too significant, but it has clawed back some of the losses it saw yesterday. Sterling back from some strong moves to the upside yesterday. Big strong move above 30 big figure, just unwinding slightly, but still the yen continues to weaken and underperform. Euro back above 113 figure again, holding on to that move yesterday. So there is this mild little sort of attempt at the dollar to recover, but nothing too significant yet. We've got treasury yields which continue to fall away. That is interesting, and this is sort of coming as the market prepares for a couple of factors really. You've got the US-China trade talks which continue to develop, and suggestions are that they are progressing pretty well. So Donald Trump's likely to extend the deadline of that. Suggestion also that the Chinese yuan, the strength of the yuan, is an issue. And that's an issue on the table. So subsequently, it's interesting that the yuan has weakened in the last couple of sessions quite sharply. But also the markets will be looking out towards the Fed meeting minutes tonight. Meeting minutes will be key, I think, in the fact that analysis of the balance sheet wind down, I think, is going to be a key focus, and obviously also how the Fed sort of came to its decision to move more sort of in a mild dovish tilt, yeah, that's I think going to be the analysis of what we see out the minutes today. So subsequently the dollar has weakened slightly in the last day or so, although a little bit mixed today. Now, in terms of what we're looking out for today, not a huge amount. We've got equity markets that sort of a little bit mixed really. We had the DAX, which is sort of in recovery mode, and sort of attempting to break out, but other markets are basically flat as S&P 500 futures have just unwound basically the gains that we saw yesterday. Now, with regards to data points today, you've got Eurozone consumer confidence at 3 in the UK afternoon, minus 7.8, so very, very mild tick higher on that Eurozone consumer confidence. From minus 7.9, and that's this afternoon, and that comes ahead of the Fed meeting minutes, but the broad sort of focus will be on those minutes. Now, in terms of my charts today, I'm looking at sterling yen because we had a big move higher on sterling yesterday, and that certainly is reflected through sterling yen. But sterling yen is now testing that January high, 44.85. Had a little bit of a move to the upside today, but came back inside that. And it just looks as though the market is sort of positioning for a breakout above that. A close above 44.85 would really open the continuation of this move back towards those highs that we saw October November time, 49.50 to 49.70. These highs from September, October, November, and certainly I think that would be on, given the fact that we've got the momentum indicators which are increasingly positive really now, given the fact that stochastics are moving higher, RSI above 60, MACD lines crossing higher. It all looks as though the market is positioning for this upside break now. And on a very near-term basis, you've got the market that's just rolled over a shade today, just as these hourly indicators just unwind a shade. But I think it's ultimately going to provide another chance to buy. If I zoom out, you can see this sort of breakout support that comes between 43.30 down towards 43 figure, 43 figure being a bit of a pivot, but yeah, I think this is just an unwinding move that's going to help the market come back into a basis of support and then push on higher again. So it is sort of positioning for this upside break, given the fact that the yen is weakening and the sterling has been strengthening over recent days, and that is playing into the move that we've seen on sterling yen. So breakout above closing breakout above 144.85 would be what we're looking out for. So wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later.